Hey Blitzers, having trouble in Bingo Blitz and need help? You're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to contact Bingo Blitz support via chat or email. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Bingo Blitz. Once the page loads, click the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Support to open a new window. Scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us. A new window will open. In that new window, click again Contact Us at the top. In the new window, you can email support or click the chat icon at the bottom right to start a live chat. The chat itself starts with a bot. Just keep asking for a real agent until they connect you. Be persistent. And that's it. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Drop questions below. See you next time.